Hey buddy, what's up?
Okay, Loomo. Let's go.
What is this thing?
Any ideas? I'll be right back.
Cheer up, humans.
Pizza, Chinese.
Sorry, I'm vegan.
Watch this. 3, 2, 1.
Fancy a flyer?
Whoa.
You're welcome.
Okay, Loomo. Go.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, something happening. Yeah, I like this. It's really cool.
No, I sound good, but now I sound better.
Hva det da? Sick. Cool.
Ooh.
For italiensk quiz med buddy. Wow, it's very responsive.
Wave is a wearable MIDI controller. It's a ring that lets you easily control sound, shape effects, and send commands with the motion of your hand. It's wireless with no external sensors, and you can still use both hands freely while wearing it. It's a standalone hardware that connects via Bluetooth to all the major music programs and mobile applications. You can also connect Wave with your modular setup using Wavefront, our Eurorack receiver. Use the buttons to control Wave, like whether it's on or off, or which signals to send out. Wave offers you 5 completely programmable ways to control it. Change effects with motion, like pan, tilt, and roll. Use the buttons to send commands, or tap any surface to trigger notes or samples. We've been working on Wave for the past 3 years now, in close collaboration with musicians. And we're almost there. We found a great manufacturing partner, and we're putting the finishing touches on this, the final version of Wave, which includes all the juicy hardware that we've tested with hundreds of people and that's been used live on stage. But it also features a slick look and gives you even more control. So with your help and support, we can mass produce Wave and get it into the hands of people making music all over the world before the end of the year. So please, help us make Wave a reality.
If how we spend our days is always connected, staring at our screens, well, that will be how we spend the rest of our lives. You see, as humans, we are vulnerable, and our smartphones are engineered to use these vulnerabilities against us. This is why we've intentionally designed a phone to be used as little as possible. It's a phone that encourages you to leave behind your smartphone, to spend that quality time doing the things that you love the most. We call it going light. Almost 3 years and 10,000 phones later, we find ourselves asking, How can we go light more often? How can we go light for good? Introducing the Light Phone 2. A beautiful math display, 4G connectivity, and messaging. We are rethinking what an operating system can be. A few essential tools, thoughtfully implemented, and a pleasure to use. Maybe an alarm clock, a ride home, a playlist, or some simple directions. These are tools, not feeds. It's a phone that actually respects you. Light was born as a refreshing alternative to the tech monopolies. We don't want to be made to feel that we're not enough. We believe objects can empower us, can help us appreciate our lives even more. We are humans, and we're taking back our lives.
This is a power strip. This is a dust bunny. This is a mess of cords plugged into that power strip. This is how the cords feel. This is a doggy pile, a traffic jam, a cluster. This isn't working. This is the pivot power. This is Jake's invention. This is 709 people who helped bring Jake's idea to life through Quirky.com. This is flexible. This is not. This makes sense. This is how much it costs. This is pivot power. This could be yours at Quirky.com.
Time. We share it, cherish it, lose track of it, waste it, fear it, curse it. There's never enough of it. The definitive point of reference since the dawn of time. What is the time? Where am I within the progress of the day? We get caught up in time, worry about the seconds whizzing by, the minutes we have left to wait, the hours we've lost. The horizon displays your day, all 24 hours of it in full. The light hours, the dark hours, the horizon, between day and night.